Is your PC complaining that the libgmp-10 Library DLL is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. Before diving into the manual fix for libgmp-10 library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the libgmp-10 library, the GNU Multiple Precision (GMP) arithmetic library v10. It manages localized unmanaged high-speed calculations on integers and floats of arbitrary precision, mandatory for localized cryptographic and scientific software. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling GNU is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the libgmp-10 library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Replacing libgmp-10 library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes libgmp-10 library guidance. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix libgmp-10 library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.